Okay, so let's continue our discussion. Means okay. Uh, in T1 and T2 conduct, that voltage is represented by VAC. This voltage is represented by VAC. When thyristor T3 and T4 conducting, that means this one and this one. So voltage can be represented by VA, is not? So VBA. VAC, you may be aware that A is your positive and C is your negative. So VA minus VC is your VAC. So when thyristor 3 and 4 conducting, that is voltage representation BA, is not? So when thyristor T3 and T4 conduct, thyristor T3 and T4 conduct, that voltage is represented by VBA. T3 and T4 voltage is represented by VBA. That means B is your positive positive cycle thyristor and C is your A is your negative half cycle thyristor. That means 3 and here 3 is your positive cycle thyristor and 4 is your negative cycle thyristor. So this one is represented by VBA. VA. Similarly, when thyristor 5 and 6 conducting, that means voltage is represented by CB. Is not? So just voltage represented by VCB. Thyristor 5 and 6 conducting. Thyristor 5 and 6 conducting, that voltage is represented by VCB. Yeah. So, VCB. Yeah. Here we consider alpha equal to 40 degrees, that means delay angle. When the gate pulse we provide to the thyristor is 30 degree. So phase angle delay is represented by alpha. It is equal to, consider here 30 degree. You maybe take another value, that means either we consider here 45 degree. So you maybe take either 30 degree, 60 degree if you want. Doesn't matter. Okay. So the thyristor start from the conduction from the delay angle whenever you provide the gate pulse. Okay, if you consider 30 degree, that means from the 30 degree, thyristor will start conduction. If you consider 60 degree, then thyristor start conduction from the 60 degree delay. So this is your delay angle. That means at this instant, you provide the gate pulse to the thyristor. Okay, as we know that whenever the thyristor are in forward bias, still they do not conduct until the pulse provided to the thyristor. Okay. And next one we can represent here, that means T1, T3 and T5 we consider as the positive cycle thyristor, and T4, T6, T2 as the negative cycle thyristor. Okay, so keep in your mind. That means T1, T3, T5. So T1, T3, T5. T3, T5. You may be considered as a positive cycle thyristor. Okay. So positive cycle thyristor. Similarly, T4, T6, T2 considered as the negative cycle thyristor. So T4, T6, T2. T6 and T2 is considered as the negative cycle thyristor. So is equal to consider as the negative cycle thyristor. Thyristor. Is not. So all these point you always kept in your mind. So this one we consider as the thyristor. Okay. So now we just try to see the waveform of the supply input voltage and each thyristor is conducted at this instant. That means one from the positive half cycle, another from the negative half cycle. Always conduct one from the positive half cycle, another from the negative half cycle thyristor. Okay. So even in the most positive, just so at any particular instant, each thyristor appear the most positive value and most negative value. So those thyristor will conduct at a particular instant. That means if T1 is VA appears most positive phase A voltage, that means thyristor A where T1 is start to induction, and suppose that at that instant of the negative half cycle thyristor T2 appears most negative voltage. So from the negative half cycle, T2 start conduction. So first of all, just try to see the waveform of the supply voltage three phase, that means VA, VB, and VC. So always we also draw the line voltage of VAB, VAC, VBA. So just try to see their waveform of the supply voltage. So this one is your, we just draw here, yeah. So you can just draw this one is your VAB, black line. Okay, so this voltage is your supply source voltage that will be represented by this black is your VAB. That means, or maybe say that this one is your, either you maybe draw 180-degree phase displays of VA, VB, and VC. So if you consider this one is your VA, negative VB you have to draw, and then the resultant of VBA. So this one you maybe represent as VAB line. This one is your black for is your represent the line VAB. Okay. So if you want to line voltage VBA, that means reverse of this one. Okay. So V is positive and A is your negative. So phase B voltage is such that like this one. So this one represent for VAB and this one is your VBA. You know, VBA. So just complete the one cycle, one complete cycle. So start from this point, suppose that, and you just complete up to this point or maybe extend up to this point. Okay. So this is your waveform for VAB and this one is for VBA. Similarly, this one represent for VC. Okay. This one represent for VC red line, VBC. That means line voltage VBC. And similarly, if you want to represent VCB, that means opposite of this waveform. Okay. So opposite of this waveform, that means this one. V, that means CB. Okay. And similarly, this is your representation of VCA. This dotted line that will represent voltage of VCA. Just complete this one up to this point. Okay. And opposite to that one is represent VAC. Okay. So this one is represent to your VAC. So if you draw the all line voltage, okay, all line voltage, then just we can say that we find the at this instant most positive voltage appear across the VAB. That means whatever the thyristor connected between terminal A and B, that will be conduct from this instant to this instant. Whenever the phase changes of the most positive or most negative, that means next incoming thyristor will start to conduction. Okay. So if we provide the up to this point, suppose that up to this point, most positive voltage is your which one? This one is your VCB, is it not? Most positive voltage up to this one is your VCB and most negative is your which one? VBC. So this thyristor will in conduction mode if gate pulse provided to that thyristor. Okay. So from at this point, suppose that most positive voltage is appear, that means positive voltage VA. So thyristor wanna start conduct from this point if you provide the gate pulse. Okay. So we just consider here phase angle delay 45 degree. Okay. So at this instant, this one is your most positive. Which one? That means CB. Okay. So in CB, that means this thyristor is your most positive. 5 is it not? So 5 is your most positive. So to this point, 45 degree, your T5 is conducting. So at this instant, suppose that at this instant, okay. So T5 is conducting. So positive half cycle thyristor, so the T5 conducted up to this point. Okay, up to this point. And the changes the another positive half cycle. So T5 conduct up to this point, and when at this point start the T6 conduction. Okay, at this point start the T6 conduction. if you provide the gate pulse. So gate pulse is provided at the angle delay of 45 degree. So just try to find which is output voltage. So this one is your positive half cycle thyristor. That means T5. T5 conduct because the VCB voltage appear. Okay. This one is your VCB. So C is your 5. Okay. Thyristor 5. And at this instant, after the 45 degree delay, here suppose that VAB, if you consider most positive from this point to this point, so when you provide the gate pulse at the delay of 45 degree, so start the thyristor T1 conduction, is it not? So from this point, T1 start to conduction and goes up to the this point. Okay. So this is your thyristor T1 conduction mode, and similarly for this one is your T3. Next, so VCB voltage appear, that means from up to this point is your thyristor 4 is conducting. Okay, because VAB voltage is appear, so thyristor 4 is conducting up to this point, and next incoming thyristor of negative cycle is your T6. Similarly for the next T6, after that T2, and again repeated for the T4. So this cycle is repeated from the first positive half cycle is your started from T5, T1, T3, T5. Okay. Or rather you may be considered up to this point. Is it clear now up to this point? So suppose what I want to say that sorry. Up to this period, this is your most positive of this thyristor, VAB. Okay. So VA is your positive half cycle thyristor is your T1. So from this instant, when you provide the gate pulse to thyristor 1, you start your conduction of thyristor 1. Okay. So up to this point, this voltage is your VAB, and this is your next VCA, and next is your VCB. So next incoming thyristor of the negative half cycle is your T2 from this point. Because the negative, positive, most positive phase is changing this point. Okay. So this is the conduction period of the positive half cycle and negative half cycle. Corresponding to that, you maybe draw the output voltage waveform, if it is clear. So started from this one, T6, T1, T2, or maybe start from this point. Okay, start from this point. So up to this point, this is your most positive line voltage is your VAB. And at the delay of 45 degree, you provide the gate pulse to thyristor 1. So start thyristor 1 conduction from this point to this point. Okay. And similarly for the T6, T2 and T4. So just we can draw the output voltage corresponding to this. So up to this point, this thyristor is conducting. Positive half cycle is your 5 and negative half cycle is your 4. So if you observe the circuit diagram, that means 5 and 4. So which line voltage is represent? T5 and T4. So T5 is your VC and T4 is your negative half cycle. So we can say that VCA from this point to this point conduct VCA. Is not. C is your 5 and 4 is your A. So you may be observed from this circuit diagram T5 and T4 conducting. Is it not? So T5 is representing VC and VA. That means T4. So this one is conducting T5 through the RL load and T4 to E. So VCA, this voltage is appear VCA. Is not? That means 5. So VC is your positive and T4 is your negative. So VCB is not? VCB is your voltage when T5 and T4 conducting. Is it very careful here? That means T5 is your positive half cycle. So this one represent Vc and T4 is your negative half cycle. So this one is represent Vb. Okay. So when T5 and T4 conduct, that voltage is represented by Vcb. Is it not? Vc minus Vb. So clear? So this voltage is represented when T5 and T4 conduct. The output voltage is represented by Vcb. So up to this point. Okay. From this point, the negative half cycle is changes. So thyristor T incoming start to conduction. So already T5 is conducting up to this point. So T5 is still conducting, but negative half cycle thyristor changes from T4 to T6. Okay. So positive terminal is Vc and negative, that means Va, will be changing from Va to Vb. So this voltage is represented by Vcb. Is it not? This voltage is represented by Vcb. Up to this instant, T5 is changing. So next incoming thyristor becomes T1 of the positive half cycle. Okay. So T1 is your V, representing your V. You go through the circuit diagram. And negative half cycle is your already T6 conducting, so B. You know. So this voltage is represented by VAB. VA is your positive half cycle thyristor and VB is your negative half cycle thyristor, that means T6. Okay. Up to this point, T1 is still conducting, but negative half cycle, that means T6 can change to T2. Okay. So this voltage is represented from this point to this point is your VAC. Chunki T2 at this point conducting T1 and T2. Okay. So V and C. Go through the circuit diagram. Again follow the when T1 and T2 conducting, already mentioned that VAC. Okay. So you just follow the circuit diagram. So this voltage is your VAC when T1 and T2 conduct. When T2 and T3 conduct, T2 and T3 conduct, that means T2 and T3. So T3 is your positive half cycle. So this one is your represented by B. So BA, T2 and T3. This voltage is your VBC. And this one is represented by VBA. Again, same the cycle here waveform is repeated. That means VCA. Again, go to the VCB and VBA. Same cycle, this one is repeated after a certain time. Is it not? So you just have to concern about which thyristor is conducting at this instant, at particular instant. Is it not? So must be careful. This waveform is very important. According to this most positive and most negative diode of a positive half cycle and negative half cycle, you are able to conclude which diode is conducting. Okay. Similarly, this one T5, T1, T3, and T4. So that is more important. And corresponding to that, you are able to draw the output voltage waveform. Is it clear up to this point? Have any confusion? So first of all, draw either in a line voltage or if you draw onto in phase voltage VA, VB, and VC at 120-degree phase displace angle, phase displace. So corresponding to that, you draw the VAB, that means VA minus VB. So VA minus VB, that means this one is your most positive. Again, here up to this point, this is your most positive, that means VCA. Up to this point is your most positive is your VCA. This point is your most VAB. And up to this point is your most VCA. This point is most, up to this point is your VBC. Okay. So T3, not phase changes at this instant, but do not start conduction because we are not provide the gate pulse to the thyristor T3. Okay. Gate pulse provide after the phase delay of 45 degree. So instead of this point, thyristor start from conduction from this point. Okay. So from this point to this point conducted. So you may be careful about this. Most positive thyristor and most negative thyristor. Main concern is that most positive, most negative thyristor will conduct at a particular instant of time whenever you provide the gate pulse to that particular thyristor. Okay. So we stop here, and in the next class we will explain rest of the waveform of the circuit. Okay, that means we just go for the thyristor voltage T1, thyristor current or output current IA, IB. That means here maybe suppose that if you want to find this current, whatever the current flow through this phase that is represented by IA, whatever the current flow through this phase that is represented by IB, and this one is through IC, IC. Okay, so this current waveform can also be explained in the next class. So just please stop here. Okay. In the next class we will discuss phase current IA, IB, IC, and thyristor current T1. Okay. So just we stop here.